77 degrees outside right now in Lawton. The winds are southeast at 15 miles per hour. It's humid out there. Our dew point is coming in at 57. Our barometer is holding steady at 29.84 inches of mercury. Across the rest of the area, Wichita Falls, looking up to the west, can see an increase of clouds. It is rather windy out there. 81 degrees, south winds gusting to 26. Duncan, Oklahoma tonight is mostly cloudy. Temperature in Duncan is 79, south winds gusting to 25. And Altus is coming in with cloudy skies. You can see the thunderstorms moving in from the north and west. 84 degrees and south winds at 17 miles per hour. In fact, it looks pretty wicked out there. Numbers for the day. We made it up to 79. Our morning low is a very mild 63, so we were definitely above normal for the day. The normals are 90 and 26. Our sunset tomorrow night is at 6:42 p.m. The day after, it's at 5:41 because we do the clock thing, remember, tomorrow night before you go to bed. Fall back 1 hour, check the battery in your smoke detector, and then enjoy the extra hour of sleep. Unless you're working, then you get stuck with a 9-hour shift instead of an 8. 3/4 of an inch of rain so far this month. We will add to that. We may not quite make the 2 3/2 of an inch of rain, but we are going to get very, very close. Looks like we're going to see a very decent rainfall across the area tonight and tomorrow. Severe thunderstorm watch until 10 o'clock for much of the area except for the far south and east. And we already have some storms going up. In fact, here's the line developing quite nicely to our north and west. This one here is it has some pretty good indications of severe weather with it. We've gone ahead and have a severe thunderstorm warning on that, and then have their heavy storms extended to southeastern Beckham County. Let's go close up on the street tracker. Severe thunderstorm warning is in effect now, and this will be until 6:45 for Washita County. In fact, we'll go ahead and go switch over if we can to Super Doppler 7 of the street tracker, and this is the storm running from Bessie up toward the Clinton area, and then other lighter thunderstorms from Burns Flat down toward Retroff. Movement is to the east and northeast at about 35 miles per hour. So that's going to swing, though, the strongest part of the storm out of Washita County very shortly, and then up toward the Clinton and Weatherford areas, moving up north of I-40. But until 6:45, a severe thunderstorm warning in effect for Washita County. Back to our weather maps. The wider picture on the radar shows the developing situation for the weekend. Here's the thunderstorms, but then look at all this light to moderate rain developing behind us. Even a little bit of snow throughout portions of Colorado. And it looks to me like this thing is going to move very, very slowly, so that rain is likely late tonight throughout most of the day tomorrow. Should dwindle down tomorrow night and Sunday. A lot of folks asking me about trick-or-treat tomorrow night. It's not going to be a heavy rain by that time. I think it'll be maybe a few sprinkles, a few showers, but it may be rather damp outside, so you might keep that in mind. Behind the front, it is cool. 53 from Denver, 55 from Goodland, 40 across northeastern portions of New Mexico, but ahead of it, temperatures are in the 70s and 80s. It's very warm. It's very humid. The atmosphere is fairly unstable, and that's why we'll see some thunderstorms across the area tonight. The main threat will be large hail and strong winds. This is perhaps the strongest storm we've had move into the plains this fall season. We need the rain. You can see cloud cover extending clear to the northern plain states, and temperatures behind this will turn much cooler. I think tomorrow will only be in the 50s with cloudy skies. You can see the big bowl of 50s with the cloud cover out west, and this will sink in for a couple of days over the weekend. You can kind of see the outline of the storm on the jet stream just like this, with the warm air ahead of it and the cool air right underneath it. And the cold air is reloading off to the north and west. We've got another cool front headed through the beginning part of next week. Forecast map for tomorrow. Showers and thunderstorms across the area. They start to diminish as we go late tomorrow into Sunday. The cool weather will replace the warm weather. But again, we definitely could use the rain. So thunderstorms increase tonight, low of 50. Heavy rain is possible. The winds will turn around the north at 15 to 25. Tomorrow, scattered showers. Windy and cold. North to northeast winds, 15 to 25 miles per hour. And, well, it'll be kind of a raw day out there. Not much better for trick-or-treating tomorrow night, perhaps a few sprinkles or showers. And we start to clear out on Sunday. Monday, we warm back up before another cool down on Tuesday and Wednesday. Then we warm back up again. So kind of up and down on the temperatures. Severe thunderstorm warning, Washita County until 6:45. Quarter-size hail and 65-mile-per-hour winds are possible along I-40 over the next few minutes.
So it could be rough.
Okay, thanks, Andy.
Thanks. Well, it's